created your product listings, you have taken an important first step as an Amazon seller. Your products are live and customers can start discovering them. At this stage, selling isn't just about individual products. It's also about how your brand shows up on Amazon. And that is where Amazon Brand Registry comes in. Now, in this video, I'll break down what Brand Registry is, how it helps you build and protect your brand as a new seller on Amazon, and what it takes to enroll. So let's start with the basics. Amazon Brand Registry is a free program for brand owners selling on Amazon. It helps you manage how your brand is represented, access advanced brand building tools, and protect your intellectual property on the Amazon marketplace. Now, once you enroll in Brand Registry, you get access to tools designed specifically for brand owners. Tools that help you build trust, maintain consistency, and take control of how your brand appears on Amazon. To begin with, Brand Registry gives you access to A+ content, which allows you to add richer images, detailed text, and comparison charts to your product detail pages. This helps you share more detailed product information and communicate your brand story directly on the product page. Think of A+ content as extra space on your listing to explain your product clearly and build trust with customers. Beyond individual product pages, Brand Registry also lets you create a brand store on Amazon. Now, a brand store is a dedicated storefront where you can showcase your brand and your full product range in one place. You can design and manage your brand store using pre-built templates without requiring any coding experience. Brand Registry also makes you eligible to use sponsored brands advertising, which feature your brand logo, a custom headline, and selected products in ads. Now, these ads appear in shopping and search results, helping customers to become aware of your brand while browsing on Amazon. In addition, Brand Registry gives you access to brand analytics, which offers insights into customer search terms and shopping behavior on Amazon. These insights can help you understand how customers discover and interact with brands and products on the Amazon marketplace. As a registered brand, you can also access tools related to customer reviews, allowing you to monitor feedback for your products in one place. Brand Registry further allows you to create brand-tailored promotions, which can be targeted to specific customer groups, such as brand followers or repeat customers. And finally, Brand Registry includes the Manage Your Experiments feature, which lets you test different versions of product titles, images, or descriptions. By comparing results over time, you can better understand how customers respond to different types of product content. Together, these tools help you manage how your brand appears across Amazon, from listings and ads to stores and promotions. In addition to brand building tools, Amazon Brand Registry also focuses on protecting your brand. Brand Registry helps you protect your intellectual property by giving you access to tools that can identify and address potentially infringing or inaccurate listings. Now, these tools allow you to search for content that may misuse your brand name, logo, or other brand identifiers. When required, you can use Brand Registry tools to report violations directly to Amazon for review. Brand Registry also includes automated protections. Now, these use information about your brand to proactively help prevent inaccurate or infringing listings from appearing. In addition, registered brands may also be eligible for additional brand protection programs, such as Project Zero and Transparency, which offer further visibility and control over how your branded products are listed. Together, these brand protection features help you monitor, manage, and safeguard your brand presence on the Amazon marketplace. Before enrolling into Brand Registry, it is important to understand the eligibility requirements. Amazon Brand Registry is available to all sellers who own a brand and have either a registered trademark or a pending trademark application that's in process. Now, the trademark can either be a text-based mark, also known as a word mark, or an image-based mark that includes text or letters. Remember, the brand name you submit during enrollment must exactly match the brand name shown on your trademark. During enrollment, you will be asked to provide details about your brand, the product categories you sell in, and real-life images of products that clearly show your brand name. Now, these requirements help Amazon verify your brand information before granting access to Brand Registry features. To enroll into Amazon Brand Registry, log into Seller Central. Go to the Brand section and select Brand Protection. You can also enroll directly through the Brand Registry portal. If you are using the new Seller Central experience, go to Create and select Enroll in Brand Registry. Now choose the option to enroll a brand. If your trademark is pending, you also have the option to enroll through Amazon's IP Accelerator, which connects you with trusted legal service providers. During enrollment, you will first enter your brand details. Now, this includes your brand name, image of your brand logo, and the trademark office associated with your brand. It's important that all these details exactly match the information on your trademark application. Next, enter your trademark number. If you see a Verify button, you can click it to automatically validate your trademark. This option of automatic validation is only available for certain trademark offices. You will then select whether your trademark is registered or pending, depending on its current status with the trademark office, and choose the type of trademark, either a word mark or device mark. If you select a device mark, you'll need to upload a high-quality image of the logo that exactly matches the image shown in your trademark records. After this, click on the checkbox to agree that your personal information, that is your name and email address, will only be shared with you and any authorized representative that you have identified to act on your behalf or is listed on the trademark record. Next, select all the product categories that best describe your brand. You will then be asked to provide product details, including ASINs and real-life images of your products or packaging that clearly show your brand name permanently affixed. Mock-ups or digitally altered images may lead to additional checks or, in some cases, removal from the program. For more information about product image requirements, you can scan the QR code shown on the screen. Next, you'll be asked to share details about your selling account to help us better understand your relation to the brand. Select Seller to indicate that you have a Seller Central account and that you sell products directly to customers, either by fulfilling orders yourself or through fulfillment by Amazon. You will also need to provide basic manufacturing and distribution details to help Amazon understand how your branded products are produced and supplied. Once all the required information is submitted, you can send your brand registry application for review. As part of the verification process, Amazon may send a verification code to the registered mail ID listed in your trademark records. You will need to enter this code within 10 days to complete verification. To enter this code, go to your brand application dashboard. Under Case ID, you will see the case number where your application is being tracked. Click on Reply and enter the verification code. After successful submission of the verification code, Amazon reviews your application. Once approved, your brand is officially enrolled into Amazon Brand Registry, and you can start using all the brand-specific tools and features directly through Seller Central. Before we wrap up this video, let's quickly recap. Amazon Brand Registry helps brand owners build, manage, and protect their brands on Amazon. It gives you tools to manage how your brand appears on Amazon, gain deeper customer insights, and safeguard your intellectual property. We also covered the eligibility requirements and the step-by-step process to enroll in Brand Registry. If you own a brand and meet the requirements, Brand Registry can be a valuable step in your journey as a new seller. Now, with your brand set up, the next step in the perfect launch journey is sponsored products, where we'll cover how to start advertising your products on Amazon. See you in the next video.